The Drug and Alcohol Clearinghouse houses reports of CDL drivers' DOT drug and alcohol violations, as well as the records of how much of the return to duty and follow-up testing process each driver has completed. The return to duty process must be completed and reported to the clearinghouse before a driver who has committed a DOT drug or alcohol violation can return to driving any commercial motor vehicle. The first step in the return to duty process is to be evaluated by a substance abuse professional, or SAP. If you commit a violation, your employer should immediately pull you from performing all safety-sensitive functions, including driving, and provide you with a list of SAPs. Once you're evaluated, the SAP will prescribe a course of treatment or education that you must complete before being reevaluated. The second evaluation allows the SAP to verify that you've complied with the prescribed treatment. If the SAP is satisfied, the SAP will report this to the clearinghouse and send your employer a return to duty report that updates them on your progress and spells out your follow-up testing plan. Once your employer receives the SAP report, they can send you for a return to duty test. When the employer receives a negative test result and enters it into the clearinghouse, the prohibited status will be removed from your record and your employer can allow you to resume driving. Even though you're no longer in a prohibited status, you still have to complete the follow-up testing plan that was prescribed by the SAP. You'll be required to complete a minimum of 6 tests over a year, but the SAP can require follow-up testing to continue for up to 5 years. Once you've completed all follow-up tests, your employer will report to the clearinghouse that you're done with the follow-up process. The violation will stay in the clearinghouse until you've completed the return to duty and follow-up testing processes and a minimum of 5 years have passed since the violation. Once those conditions are met, the violation will no longer appear in the clearinghouse.